Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Twain_32 DLL errors on your Windows computer with a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Check for Windows updates. Go to the search bar and type Check for Updates. Open the Windows Update settings. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. If you see a Fix Issues button, click it and allow Windows to install the necessary updates. Once everything is updated, you can close the window. Step 2. Run System File Checker, SFC. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, sfcscannow. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. This process might take a little while, so be patient. You'll also find this command in the video description. Just copy it, then right-click the top bar of Command Prompt, choose Edit, then Paste. Step 3. Restart your computer. After the scan finishes, simply restart your PC. That's it. Hopefully, the Twain_32 DLL issue is now resolved. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.